try this exercise also in AutoCAD basics. Okay, so let's get the dimensions. Now you see there are two circles over here, the outer one with radius 13, then the inner one with radius 7. The distance between these two circles is 70. Okay, and there's an angle here, angle of 12 degrees. So I would like us to draw the inside one first, then later on we come to the outside. So let's draw this circle of radius 13 and 7. So you open your AutoCAD, you go to a circle, center radius. Now we have a radius of 13. You zoom out, and then another circle with radius of 7. So enter 7. Good. Now I will offset this inner circle, or I will copy it. Let me copy it from this side to this side, which is 70. Okay, all right, so see, this is created. Now I would like to draw a line. Let me draw a line to help us get the angle. So a line from here to here, then I'll draw another line, okay, which will give us the angle. Now press your shift key and then your less than symbol. Okay, enter the angle of it's 12, so enter 12. And then you see, now with the height, track it from this point to this side. Okay, so we have that. Now we copy the same circle there, because all the three circles are the same, the inner one, so copy it here. Good. Now I'll add a line. So take the line command, join it from here to this side. All right, so if you look at it, see, it's like this. So there's a line joining. So take your line, click this side, click the quadrant, let it join, and then click line again, press hold shift key, right click, and then select tangent, click this circle, press hold shift key again, then you select tangent, then click this circle. All right, so the line is supposed to be tangent to the circles. Okay, so let's trim the unwanted lines. This one so must go. Okay, all right, so you can see the inner side has been obtained. Now let's offset. You can see this, the gap between these two is 6. So I'll use the offset command, enter 6 as my distance, press this line, and then click this line. All right, so now let's come to the outer parts. Let's deal with these two circles. Now the diameter of this circle is 13, and the distance from here to this place 20 shown here. Okay, so and then the outer one is also radius 13. So let's draw the outer one first, also 20. If you are moving from this side to this side, to be 90. So circle radius, let's take 13. Sorry, click the circle command again. Now you can see, you can bring your cursor closer to this arc, and see the center point will show. Bring your cursor there, don't click, and then you just send your mouse to the right and then enter 20. Yeah, so the circle will come, meaning you started from here to this side 20. So enter the radius, which is 13. Good. And then there is another one, diameter of 13. So circle center diameter 13. Okay, now you see the same thing is up here with distance 45. So select this, copy. You can use the shortcut CO, and then click anywhere, drag it up, enter 45. Okay, now there's an arc here, radius 32. You can use the fillet command. So select fillet, click radius, enter 32 as a radius, click this and this, see, to come nice. Okay, now see there's another arc here which is having radius of 20. So you can also use the fillet command again, radius 20, click this line and click this line, this circle. Okay, you see it's obtained. Now you see this side. Let's try and use the fillet to see if it will work. Click this. No, it will not work because it's a straight line and a circle. So just drag it to the quadrant, and that's all. Now let's trim the unwanted line. So this one, this one, this one as well, this and this one. Now trim here too. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to trim. Now you see the work is neatly done. Now let's increase the line width. Now see how nice it looks. Okay, so let's try and add a dimension. So to do that, I would like to create a new layer for my dimension. New layer, I'll give it a name. Now I'll change the color. I like to use, let's say, green. Okay, then I'll change the line width to, yeah, let me choose this one. Okay, so make the layer active. Let's first start with the linear aspect of it. So the center to center, I'm having 70. Then click on it again, this point to this point, 45. Yeah, I think that is all for the linear dimension. Okay, remaining this part from here to this place is 20. Good, I think that's all. Now let's go for the radius. So click radius, give this one, then the inner one as well, 7. Now select this, press enter again, select this one, 32. Now click enter again, choose this one, which is actually this radius is supposed to be 20. Let's check. Yeah, it's supposed to be 20. Here is supposed to be 20, not 30. So we delete it, and then you go for fillet, then enter a radius of 20, and then click this line and click this line. All right, so we can now go ahead and give our dimension 20 here, and then this 13. Okay, seven. This one also 7. So I'll just dimension only one. Okay, all right, so yeah, I think that's all. Let's do the diameter for the inner one. This one is 13. So the same thing up here, so I won't dimension this one. So see how nice and neat our work looks like. Okay, remaining the space over here. So with that one also, I'll go for the linear and click here and here. Okay, and then it's 6, so you click. All right, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video for more tutorials and projects like this in AutoCAD. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial.